Welcome everyone to step 2. After you've purchased your web hosting plan, it is time to log into your cPanel. After you retrieve your login name and password, it is time to log into your cPanel. Okay, so go to bluehost.com and log in. Simply press the login button here. After you've logged in, after you've gotten to so after you've reached the login page, simply put in your login name and your password. Okay. So after you've pressed login, you should reach this page. It is the cPanel or control panel. C standing for control panel. Okay. After you've reached this page, these right here, what you see is the modules here. These modules contain apps for managing your website, whatever website that you purchase with the package plan. Okay, so you can install WordPress, you can install Weebly. Let's see here. You have your email manager here. You can create emails. Let's click on email manager. Okay, as you can see, I've created several emails. So for instance, if you wanted to create you have purchased a website. So just like Gmail, you can have an email for your website. For instance, as you can see right here, I have j@gameinitiator.com. Game Initiator is actually a website that I own. Okay, for jermaineplease.com, I own jermaineplease.com. Okay, and it says contact@jermaineplease.com. So what you do is you press create an email and you simply put your name in here. For instance, if you want to call it, say if you purchase several domain names, okay, I can say, let's say my pet fan page. I can simply say contact at mypetfanpage.com and enter a password, retype the password. I can use unlimited mailbox size and press create. Okay, and then you choose a particular email provider. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to choose a password. I'm going to retype the password. Okay, and I'm going to say I want to. I'll say I go with the round cube. Okay, I'm going to say unlimited mailbox size and I press create. And that is all there is to it. So I'm going to scroll down here and you will see it here where it says contact at my fan page, my pet fan page, round cube. I can view my inbox. Here it goes right here. I'm going to go ahead and log into my inbox. I'm going to press login. Right here, I'm going to press round cube. It goes right here. You have your own functioning email account for your website. No longer will you have to use Gmail, and you have a lot more functionality and freedom once you've purchased a website for web hosting that has an email attached to it. You have a lot more freedom. Okay, so let's go back to our cPanel. Click cPanel right here. Okay, so you can also register more websites. Okay, so how do you do that? Simply go to register domain. Click here and you can register as many domain names as you want, an unlimited amount. It doesn't matter what it is. You can register as many as you want with your web hosting. Okay, so for instance, let's say if I want to talk about my brand new car, I could say my new Tesla car. Okay, let's check and see if it's available. that domain name. As you can see, it is available where it says mynewterra.com. That's available. .net. All these are available for you to purchase. Prices, and this is annually. You don't have to pay this by month. This right here is paid by year. So you pay $11.99 per year, not per month, but per year for that domain name. Okay. So you have an unlimited amount of domain names that you can register for whatever purpose that you would like. Okay. So let's go back to Cpanel. What else do we have for Cpanel? Okay, so as you can see, we have several other apps that we can use to manage our website. Many of these I really don't bother too much, but you can check them out at your most convenience. Yeah, and that's pretty much all I use, including install WordPress, the one button install WordPress. You can click on that and have your WordPress blog installed. In fact, I'm going to click on it, and here you can see where you have several scripts. You have WordPress, you have several other softwares that you can download for a website. Okay, several other open source software that you can use. So let's see. WordPress is a state-of-the-art publishing platform with focus on aesthetics, web standards, and usability. So simply, if you want to install, press install. Okay, and you can install it for and you can install it. Simply click the if you want the HTTPS, click on HTTPS, and whatever website that you desire to install for WordPress. Okay, that is how installing WordPress works, and I'm going to take you down step by step on how to get that done, as you can see how I do it. Okay, and that pretty much concludes what I will be talking about for right now on the control panel within your web hosting account. Now, I do have several other tutorials talking about other great things that you can use on your control panel, such as moving one URL to another, and you're using your autoresponder and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video on installing your WordPress blog. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next tutorial.